Hey, how's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampy's Workshop. I'm glad you dropped in today because we're going to go collect sap. And the sap hasn't been running great just yet, so I hope we're going to get a little today. So let's go have a look, see what we find. Well, boys, 6 taps. Well, I put another one in today too, so that's 7 taps I got. But I didn't get much sap. I'd like to get about 40 liters of sap before I start to boil, because 40 liters gives me 1 liter of syrup. But you can boil with 5 liters of sap, really. It doesn't, you know, there's no, you don't have to have a minimum amount of sap to boil, that's what I'm trying to say. Just, it's, the sap to syrup relationship is 40 to 1, so, you know, just bear that in mind before you start to boil. Oh, and if you have some maple trees in your yard, why not think about tapping them? It's good fun. It doesn't take much, you know, 4 or 6 taps will get you some sap, and you can make some syrup out of that, and it's delicious. But anyway, because this video was so short, I was hoping I was going to collect some sap and be able to boil. but that didn't happen. But because it's so short, I'm adding a bonus bonus video here of a slideshow presentation that I put together about making sap here at the camp since we started doing it, and that was 20 years ago. In 2001 I started sap and been doing it every year ever since, except last year. I didn't make any last year, just too much other stuff going on. But anyway, this little slideshow presentation is in chronological order. And you see the first part of it there, I'm starting up, I'm collecting my sap in garbage cans, little waste paper baskets. And then I boil it in a turkey roaster. So, you know, that's the way you get started. And I've graduated all the way up now to this big fancy sugar shack that I got with a stainless steel pan. Oh, she's some nice. But anyways, check it out. I hope you like it. And I hope you have a great week. And don't forget, everybody, thumbs up me. And leave me some comments about what you think about maple syrup and sapping. Take care. We'll talk to you. of sweet maple sugar. You have to love springtime. And the sugar bush. "2018, we're in the sugar shack boiling sap. How sweet is that? Boiling good, boys.